Definition of compressed gases. Compressed gases, as defined by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, refer to gases that are contained in a container under pressure, either by gas liquefaction or by compression, and are stored or transported in a compressed state. These gases may be used for various purposes in the workplace, such as welding, cutting, heating, or as part of industrial processes. OSHA defines compressed gases into three categories based on their physical properties and hazards. Flammable gases. These are gases that can ignite and burn in the presence of an ignition source, such as a spark, flame, or heat. Examples of flammable gases include hydrogen, propane, and acetylene. Non-flammable gases. These are gases that do not burn or support combustion. However, they may pose other hazards such as asphyxiation or toxic effects. Examples of non-flammable gases include nitrogen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Toxic gases. These are gases that can cause harm or death when inhaled, even at low concentrations. Toxic gases may have acute or chronic health effects, and examples include ammonia, chlorine, and hydrogen sulfide. Compressed gases are typically stored in high-pressure cylinders or tanks, and their use and handling in the workplace are subject to specific regulations and guidelines set forth by OSHA, including requirements for storage, handling, transportation, and use of appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, to ensure worker safety. Proper training and handling procedures should be followed when working with compressed gases to prevent accidents, releases, and exposure to hazards. Common uses of compressed gases in the workplace. Compressed gases are commonly used in various workplaces for a wide range of applications. Some common uses of compressed gases in the workplace, as recognized by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, include welding and cutting. Compressed gases such as acetylene, oxygen, and argon are used in welding and cutting operations to provide heat and fuel for the welding process. Industrial processes. Compressed gases are used in numerous industrial processes, such as pressurizing containers, powering pneumatic tools, and propelling aerosol products. Refrigeration and air conditioning. Refrigerant gases, such as hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, and chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, which are used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems, are often stored and transported in compressed gas cylinders. Medical and laboratory use. Compressed gases are commonly used in medical and laboratory settings for various purposes, including anesthesia, sterilization, and calibration of equipment. Fire suppression. Certain compressed gases, such as carbon dioxide and halon, are used in fire suppression systems to extinguish fires in critical areas or equipment where traditional water-based methods may not be suitable. Calibration and testing. Compressed gases are used in calibration and testing of equipment and instruments, such as gas detectors, pressure gauges, and flow meters. Cleaning and blowing. Compressed air is often used for cleaning and blowing purposes in workplaces, such as cleaning equipment, removing dust or debris, and drying surfaces. It's important to note that the use of compressed gases in the workplace must be done in compliance with OSHA regulations and guidelines, including proper storage, handling, transportation, and use of appropriate PPE to ensure the safety of workers and prevent accidents or releases. Employers should provide adequate training and follow best practices for the safe use of compressed gases in the workplace.